Hello guys and gals, and we're back with another, we're almost done with this book actually. I think there's only 2 pages left after the one we do today. So anyways, we're back with more Crayola hijinks, I suppose. And for the picture we're gonna do, I have 4 colors here, and I think that's all we're gonna need. We might need more. I already have the cardboard in place here. It's Tentacool and Tentacruel, and last week was Pikachu, so... anyways, without further ado, we'll get right on into this. Okay. Bubbles. I don't know if I'll color the bubbles. I guess I could. But in my mind, bubbles are usually white or clear or transparent. And, anyways. So we have red here for the eye things, right here. Tentacruel first, of course, because it's on top. And that's where the cardboard is. The cardboard is on top, even though basically you'd probably color everything just with where the cardboard currently is. Okay, so if we look at our reference picture here, then we need red. Which is, let's just go ahead. We're going to try and go the contour here. The contour of the eye. Getting out of the lines a little bit. Don't like that much, but... I might need to just sharpen this pencil because it is dreadfully dull. I need to actually push a little bit harder so that the vibrant reds show through, because they really aren't showing through very well. There, just like that. Also, the gem in the middle is also red. So we're going to go kind of like a little swirly like pattern here. Just going around the outer edge. And then we're going to just really put emphasis on the middle. Just like that. Now, we have the other eye to do. So yeah, without further ado, we'll do that. So the other eye. Let's, actually, I don't know. I don't think these are... They might be pseudo eyes or something, because I don't really think they're eyes. They're not seeing eyes because the eyes are right there. The eyes that are actually seen from. These are like fake eyes or pseudo eyes, I would imagine. So anyways, I don't know how accurate the colors are that I chose. It's always kind of touch and go. Now, once we're done with this, I'm not sure what I'll do with the colored pencils, because I think all I have left now will be coloring books after this one, which would use Crayola's crayons instead of colored pencils. But I'll figure something out. Anyways, there we go. That's the outer edge. So now we'll just we'll just go in kind of like this, which will slowly fill up the white space. There you go. Now, if we have the red out, we might as well also do Tentacool. So, this one should be a little bit easier, or quicker anyways, because all we have to do is that. We have to do that, and then we have the other eye spot right here. I'm going to put the colored pencils down here to hold the paper down for me, because it's kind of getting out of hand. Kind of trying to get away. And so, oops. There we go. And we'll just go around the edge, kind of like so. Here we go. I think we're done with the red now, so I'll put the red up there. Next, okay, we have black here. Now, initially, I was just going to make the tentacles like a light gray, but I chose a different color that I thought looked a little better, but might not. It's nice to know we had the option. So, the only thing that's really black on Tinta Cool is the underside here, which does extend right here in the reference image. And we'll just kind of go along here. Focus our efforts on getting a nice solid color here. Just like that. Or at the start. Because we can do it better later, maybe. Yeah, okay. Just making sure that I understand everything in the reference image, and I'm pretty sure that I do. There you go. Now, okay. Okay, so black. Okay. I think we're just going to do this. Like that. So the eyes are done. The eyes are also black. We didn't have to worry about that with Tentacool. Tentacool, rather. So, anyways, it's going to be interesting. Okay, so we start over here. Just like that. And we want that nice solid black color. Just like that. There's surprisingly little black in this this image, which is fine. The design is very solid here. The color design, everything about this image works really well, I think. Because I think that we colored these before, but they were smaller images, so this is going to take a little bit longer just because of the sheer size here that we're dealing with, the scope and scale. Go around where the tentacles attach to the body. Kind of just like that. Just like that. I think that's all that we're done with that color now. Now we have options. Okay, so we have two options because we have two colors left. I think the tentacles will be the most annoying, so we'll do them next. This actually looks like a pretty good color. I don't think it's quite going to be the right shade, but it'll be pretty close. So we'll just do this. That's one tentacle, but there's a lot left. Tentacool, on the other hand, only has 2 tentacles. There we go. Yeah, I kind of like that color. It seems to fit. So we'll just start with... Wait a minute. I see. Okay, I almost fell for it. There. And then we follow this to its conclusion. So it's kind of like doing a maze. We follow each of these to the ultimate conclusion. Just like that. Now we have this one that kind of supersedes the others. It's kind of in front of the others. So we'll make sure that the cardboard is in place here. So we'll just there. And I think we just need to basically go a different direction slightly so that we can get some more of that rich color. Okay. How many tentacles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It looks like 12 or 13 tentacles. I'm going by the reference image, which is basically this image. And there you go. Next, all we see of this one is right here, so we'll get that taken care of next. So this must attach underneath the thing here. Okay, so if we go by our reference image here, we can, I'll do this one first. It attaches under here, apparently. And, okay. And it concludes right here. There you go. That leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like about 8 or so. We're taking our time here so we can really get that color concentrated. We want a nice rich color saturation here. So we're going to just like that. Now all we have to do just like that. Oh, I see that we have this tentacle right here. I don't know where it connected, but we will finish coloring it. Okay, and then this. And this one bends this way. And this one goes this way. Okay, this is blue. This right here, this is the tentacle. It's like one of the beak things here. So anyways, Okay. There. Let's see, then we'll just follow this to its ultimate conclusion, but we'll start at this end and then work our way up. Just like that. Judging by the connecting points we have here, there should be 2 left. So let's go ahead and do that. These are thinner tentacles, so they should be a little bit quicker. Just like that. And we have the final connection point right here. Next, we still have this color out, so we might as well go down here. And, yep. Then we'll just, yep, okay. There we go, and that just leaves one more. Go around. And there's a sticky pad right here on the bottom. So we're going to try and really get that color concentrated. Kind of like that. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so we're done with that color. That just leaves one color left. Since we have tint cool here, we will probably need to sharpen this, actually. We're going to try and go extra dark where there's like these indentations. Just like that. There we go. Okay. Just like that. Good. And there. So now let's go up here. Okay, we don't actually have much left. Okay, well we have more than I thought. We have these tentacle things here. These kind of like beaks, I would say. Okay, there's another one too. Uh, yeah. That. Okay. Now, that just leaves this part up here. And again, we're going to try and force that color to be extra brilliant here. We're going to really press hard. Kind of like this. So we have a really deep color here. As opposed to everything else. So we'll do that. There. Now. There we go. Okay. And then, even after this, we won't quite be done. See if I can smooth these colors out a little bit. Okay. Seems fitting that we use the same color for this. There, just like that. Okay. Okay. That should do it. There's something we could do, though. But I usually see bubbles as like being transparent. So, I guess we have time. Oh, we have this. There you go. 4 colors. That is going to do it for this video, though. Let's go ahead and see what's in store for us next week. We'll put the colored pencils up there. We can take the cardboard out. And if we look... Oh, yeah, I kind of... Huh, I don't know what happened to the book, but okay. Okay. Next week we have fighting types, minus Mankey. We have Hitmonchan, Hitmonlee, and Primate. And then lastly, we have Gotta Catch 'Em All. That one shouldn't take too long because the pictures are small. But that one should be fun. This will be number 68, by the way. I have number 69 already done, actually. So, that'll be one last video that I'll need to make. But yeah. This is number 68. This is number 67. And this is number 66. But this continued, where, let me find it. The playlist starts with this, with these pages here, which is why there's 68 total. But anyways, that is going to do it for this video, though. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I upload. Also, if you want to support me in any way, or if you want to join the Discord server, all that information will be in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone. You are loved, and have a great day.